we as a ASISA are extremely honored to be able to be here this morning and to know that our dreams and our visions of making a difference in our country is reaching even here to MBIZANA.
You see your hands? All the fingers are not the same size. So this was day 1, nah? Day 2, nah? Day 3, day 4. We are now at day 5. Now BuildUp, we are at a point where it is up to you to put it here, make a fist, and take your power.
This program, the first thing that it actually taught me to be more financially responsible and separate business from my personal account.
I've learned a lot because now I know that I'll have to exercise whatever knowledge I did have here. It's like saving, and then how do you have to save, and then advantages of saving.
They actually hit the nail on the head because they actually covered the subject that were necessary, such as the financial management, the conflict resolution, the corporate governance, the planning, and so forth. So it actually benefited them a lot.
They also taught that how to actually now treat and lead people. Like how do we attack conflict in our co-ops? How do we treat it when people start misusing money? What position you occupy and what you should do in that position.
One of the things that they lack is financial intelligence. So ASISA Foundation played a huge role in ensuring that they are able to get financial literacy and they are able to manage their finances both at personal level and ensuring that the Red Hub as a business is able to become sustainable and profitable at the same time.
The ASISA program started around September, and it was very interesting training. I don't want to lie. We've learned a lot as farmers. The challenges that we have before, we were not planning. We just wake up and go to the field. And so now the ASISA Foundation helped us to realize that before you can go to the field, you need to plan and budget. Because if you don't have a budget and a planning, you won't go further in farming.
The main problem that we do have actually right now is that we lack the skills, or people lack the knowledge of understanding that farming is actually productive. It actually takes you somewhere. You can actually make a living out of farming.
We want to implement whatever information we got here because it is very, very vital. Whatever we were short of. We had some basics, but I think this training, it gives us a little bit higher level.
The best way to encourage the youth would be actually by action. I should lead by example.
Today we are celebrating that you got here. In a year's time or 2 years' time, we must celebrate that you are here. You have power. And that's what is BuildUp.